after the run. There's Amy. Everybody's socializing, getting to know the two new dogs. We welcomed Catapult and Piper yesterday, and they had their first run with us today.
And Catapult. Catapult!
There's Piper with Amy. And Saboon, of course.
Catapult! Oh, there she comes. Catapult! She's Birch's mom.
Yes, Catapult is Birch's mom. And as you can see, today all my dogs have brand new red.
Dog.
Grab her and show us, Amy.
Saboon.
Grab her and show us.
Saboon, get down.
This is Jitterbug, and look what she's wearing. Ooh, Canadog.
They're all on upside down.
We love Canadog products.
Canada's awesome.
We use harnesses and gang lines, and now we're using collars. And everybody has a nice, bright, new red Canadog collar on today. There's Thunder. Oh, yeah. Thank you from Leaps and Bounds Kennel.